Hi friends, in this video I'm going to connect CSI Bridge with Python. And first of all, we need to open a file, but it would be a blank file. We click in New Model and we wait for the layout that the software has by default. And we click on More and finally click on Blank. And to connect Python with CSI Bridge, in this case I'm using CSI Bridge version 25. And I'm going to use Jupyter. And to connect, we only need to use these codes, and we import OS, we import sys and comtypes. And to define the bridge, I'm going to need NumPy, matplotlib, and pandas. All this I'm going to copy on the commentaries. And I'm going to run this alt, and it's like to connect Python with CSI Bridge is like Python with SAP 2000, and we only need to change that text. And I'm going to connect, and to be sure we can execute this command. SapModel set model list locked. It's what happens if we put here true. For example, true, and the model will locked, as we can see. But I'm going to say it false, and the model opens.